because if you assume the worst case scenario in which your customers, your employees, your partners, the authorities, everyone knows that you're being compromised and all the details, then you are free, so to speak. You don't have to be afraid anymore. So you have to you can devise then very open, sincere, professional communication strategy, which will, provide testament to your integrity as a company, as a, way to handle this, So, and this is actually something that may save your brand and reputation later down the road.